This is a Cryptosteel Capsule. It is a metal mnemonic backup for your cryptocurrency. It's quite secure, but it costs $99. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own DIY Cryptosteel Capsule for less than 10 bucks. Let's do it. My problem with the Cryptosteel Capsule is that its setup is quite labor intensive, and these tiles are so small and frustrating to use, especially when it comes time to recover the C words. Like, they don't recommend you take it out, because you take it out, all these tiles falls out and then you're going to lose your words because each tile contains one letter. So in order to read it, I need to basically put it, the first one, and then read the first letter, and then move the next tile away to read the second letter, and then the third tile, and try to do this all the while not having these tiles fall back in and cover up the letters. So that's more than often than not, that's what happens. So I'm reading one letter and then trying to move the next letter, and I pick the next letter, and then it all falls back, and yeah, it's pretty frustrating. Yeah, I have a better solution. Check that out. Yeah. So this is my DIY Cryptosteel Capsule. Right? His own little capsule, and inside here are the C words. The C words are made with washers, and I stamp my C words onto the washer. So this cost me $3.35. This cost me another $5, so for less than $10, I created my own DIY Cryptosteel Capsule. So, for the price of one of these, I can create over 10 of these, literally over 10 of these things. Other advantage of using the DIY route: A, these washers have the full C word stamped onto them, and each C word I numbered it. So C word number 1, I put that on the top, I put down 1, and then below that I put the C word, and then 2, 3, 4, and so forth. So this way, if I take this thing apart and all the washers fall out, I can still restore it. Where if this falls out, good luck putting it back together. Like I said, there are these little tiles, these little small tiles here are individual, one letter only, so they fall out, that's it. Whereas this, it falls out, I can still construct it. Another advantage is privacy. If you buy this from Cryptosteel, you are on the mailing list. You're on the customer base, right? So if they get hacked, the customer data gets compromised, they know to target you because you're one of the customer, therefore you must have cryptocurrency. Whereas this, I got all the parts from Home Depot. Right? Retail, go to Home Depot store, buy washers, buy the bolt, buy the nut, pay for cash, walk out there, nobody knew what you buy, not on anywhere, no customer database, so privacy. And now, and not just for privacy from hacks, Cryptosteel might get hacked, but government subpoena. What's to prevent the IRS from targeting crypto companies saying, we want a list of all your customers that you sold a product to, Cryptosteel. They said all the customers are in the cryptocurrency. IRS, give us a list of that customer. We want to get a closer look at this customer and see if they're reporting their taxes on the crypto correctly. Right? Privacy. So, as for strength, this is made of stainless steel. This is stainless steel. So they both withstand the same amount of force. If this thing gets bent, like this gets bent, you can't open it, because if this rod gets bent, it no longer turns, right? So you won't be able to turn it while it's inside. So you are going to have to take a hacksaw to hack it open But if you take a hacksaw, hack it open to remove it, the chance of all these little tiles falling out, it's high. So you can lose all your C words. Now for this, if you keep it in a capsule, and one thing, the body is much thicker, so it's tougher to bend. But even if you do bend it and you have to hack it apart to open it up, you have to cut it, open it up. These are individually numbered, all the C words, so you don't have to worry about losing it. And if you really worry about getting it crushed, you can store it just like this. Yeah, this is fine. Right? And actually, if you do this, you save money because this costs $5. Was it $6? Something like $5 or $6. This costs less than that. So if you really want to save money, this is like $4 or $5. I will link to another video on how I made this. Right, so if you want to check that out, there'll be look for the link below this video, or I will post it at the end of this video, so you can click on it and check that out. But yeah, if you want the ultimate privacy enabled backup, if you want to make your own Cryptosteel that's even better than this one, like I said, hard to read, it gets bent, your screw. This one, much easier to read, much stronger, much tougher, and 10 times less expensive. So do check out the other video and let me know what you think of this. John Chow from johnchow.com. Thank you very much for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like that. Please like and share my videos, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.